Hello students of 6th class, this is Shruti. Today I'll discuss with you your chapter 2 and your chapter is globe, latitudes and longitudes. Okay, you have to read this chapter very carefully. Okay, let's start your chapter. In this chapter you will know about globe. First question is that what is globe? Globe is the true model of the earth and it is a miniature form of the earth. Okay, now second is the what is the shape of the earth. Circle is not a shape of the earth because earth is not a sphere. Okay, shape of the earth is geoid. Geoid is the shape of the earth. Oval is the shape of the earth. Okay, you can define in 2 points shape of the earth. Okay, globe has so many sizes and types. Okay, first one is big ones which cannot be carried easily. Second one is a small pocket globe. Okay, third one is globe like balloon which can be inflated and are handy carried with easy. Okay, that is the type and sizes of the globe. Globe is not fixed, you can see, and you have noticed that one thing that needle is fixed through the globe in a tidal manner and tiled manner which is called axis. Okay, that means globe rotates itself on their axis. Okay, globe rotates itself on their axis. There are 2 points of the globe. Okay, first is North Pole, second is South Pole. Okay, you can imagine here Earth and East and West. Okay, North, South, East, West. East, West, North, South. And there is 2 points, North Pole and South Pole. But you have to understand one thing also, that real earth has not any needle. Okay, any kind of needle, real earth has not that. Okay, that means real earth has not any kind of needle on their surface. Okay, but earth is rotate itself on their axis. Okay, globe is also has a equator line. Okay, there is a equator. Okay, equator is a imaginary line. Okay, it is a imaginary line. Okay, which divides it into 2 equal parts. Okay, the northern half of the circle is known as north hemisphere and southern half of the circle is known as south hemisphere, and hemisphere is a half circle. Okay, don't confuse about hemisphere. Okay, that's why equator is a very important line in the globe. Okay, the equator is an imaginary circular line and it is a very important reference point to locate places on the earth. Okay, now the second thing is, say in this figure, all parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitude. Okay, parallels of latitude. Latitudes are measured in degree, 20 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, and represent North Pole. What is North Pole? Okay, that's why you have to understand now what is degree. All differences between all circles are equal. Okay, that's why equator divides in two parts and both sides are equal. The equator represents the 0-degree latitude. Okay, 0-degree latitude. I'll show you. That is 0-degree latitude. Okay, you have to measure all circles in degrees. Okay, and distance of the earth either of the poles is 1/4 of the 360. Okay, 1/4 of the 360 you will find, and you will get 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree of the North Pole. Okay, you can mark like this. Okay, it is a 90 degree North Pole. Okay, it's a north latitude. What is it? North latitude. Okay, next is 90 degree of the south. Southern part also you can represent in 90 degree south latitude. Okay, 90 degree south latitude, mark the South Pole. Okay, you can mark itself. Okay, all parallels north of the equator are called north latitude, and all parallels south of the equator are called south latitude. Okay, now next point is you can understand that N represent north. Okay, N represent North Pole and S represents South Pole. Okay, now you have to understand north and south in N and X forms. Okay, let's start the new topic is important parallels of latitude. First one is Tropic of Cancer, second one is Tropic of Capricorn, third one is Arctic Circle, fourth one is Antarctic Circle. All these four things you will have to understand in this figure. Okay, these are the important parallels of latitude. Okay, I'll show you in this figure. Okay, this is the line of imaginary line at 0 degree. Okay, is called equator. Okay, you will see beside it Tropic of Cancer on 23.5 degree north. Okay, and beside it Arctic Circle 66 degree 66.5 degree on north. Okay, and again come to the equator, and you will see beside of equator in south Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree of south, and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. Okay, these are the four things that will represent you in the globe. Okay, and you will have to understand all these things. You have to draw this figure in your notebook. Okay, in your fair notebook, and you have to learn these all the degrees. Okay, in or on your tips. Okay, till then now read your chapter. Okay, till stay home, stay safe, take care.